Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, power completely off and unplug the charger so no current flows. Once done, ground yourself by touching a metal surface and place the Macbook on a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Identify the key type. Scissor keys have a visible two-piece retainer. Butterfly keys are thinner and fragile because that changes your removal angle. Using a plastic spudger or fingernail, gently pry under one corner of the keycap and lift straight up. You want slow, steady force to avoid snapping the retainer. Once the keycap is off, make sure you examine the retainer rather than tossing it. Its shape and orientation matter for reassembly. If the retainer stayed attached, carefully unclip it with a plastic pick. If it came off, keep the two-piece retainer together and photograph its layout. Clean the exposed switch and surrounding area with short bursts of compressed air and a lightly isopropyl-dampened cotton swab to remove dust and sticky residue. Work patiently. Trapped debris is the usual cause of key failure. To finish, align the retainer halves exactly as photographed and snap them into the metal frame. Make sure the little hook seat before adding the keycap. Position the keycap centered over the retainer, press straight down until you hear a click, and then test the key for travel and responsiveness. If it feels sticky or doesn't register, double-check retainer orientation and cleanliness. Often a tiny particle misaligned the mechanism. If plastic pieces are cracked or the mechanism is bent, order a replacement retainer or seek.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.